Right, we just received this. Let's open it up and see what we got. On the unboxing. Let's see if we get it out of here. Oh, there we go. That's it right there. It's got a little thing that you can put on your shirt. I don't have a pocket, but I could go like that, right? And let's see if it's got a charge. Here's the on button right here. You ready? Ooh, just blinded myself. That was not good. That hurt. Man, that thing's good. Check it out. Yikes. That is bright. I don't know what this is, this part here. Let's see if I hit it and what happens. It goes out, and then if I hit it again, yeah, whatever you do, don't point this at your eyes. I can't even see out of my one eye. That was a mistake. And then let's turn it off. This is the name of it, right? Check it out. And then it has a USB thing over here. Yeah, it's a USB-C. And it does come with its own USB-C to USB regular, but you need a block. Jillions of them. Put my name on them. So here you go. You just go like this. Oops, like that. So that's ready to go in the plug. And this, you gotta pop this. You gotta pop this open. See? USB-C right there. Get that in there. Right? Bam, done. Now I gotta plug this into the wall. All right, here we go. There we go. Bam, and then it's gonna give you that. And I think when that turns green, we should be good. We'll come back and check it out in a minute. All right, so you can see it's charging. We got her up here, plugged in. I'm just gonna let it sit there, and when that goes green or goes out, it should be ready to go. Bam, it's blue, and it is done and ready to go. It's kind of dark in here. Let me just click this once. We get that one, I click it again. This one comes on, I click it again, it gets brighter. So you don't, look, that's pretty bright. Click it again, it gets even brighter. Click it again, and it goes disco. Check it out. Disco. Click it again, and it turns off. And that's how it works. So yeah, that's it right there, bam. Bob is your uncle. And you got one sweet little itty bitty flashlight made by this company right here. Check it out. Peace out.